It's been a while. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Okay, so you guys deserve a reason for why I've been gone for like so long. It's nothing really, to be honest. I've just been a bit lazy because like I have stacks, and I mean stacks of videos that I could have, well, school vlogs that I could have uploaded. I just haven't, and eventually I will get back on my grind with this YouTube because I haven't posted a video since that homecoming video, and homecoming was in October. It is now November, so that's that. But all I can say is I promise that I will try to do my best in uploading more. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You know, make yourself welcome to the channel. If you're a new subscriber, hi, my name is Zoe. I post stupid stuff like from time to time on YouTube. I wasn't looking at the camera the entire time. I was looking. Anyways, but yeah, so I post stupid stuff. But we post school vlogs, unboxings, as this video unboxing. Yeah, but we're gonna be back on our grind pretty soon here. Pretty soon this week I'm gonna get it. And then I'm just fine. I'm gonna get it back. But if you're returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with me this long. Thank you for still being with me here. So that's that. But let's get into the video. So as you can tell by the title, this is an unboxing, and it is for a brand new pair of ugly mugs. Now, before anybody says anything, these are ugly, blah blah blah, I don't care. Okay, it's my personal interest in the shoes and the boots. I think they're pretty cool. You may not think that, but I think they are. So let's get into it. I've already taken these out the box, so it can basically just be out this upside down, out this box. So alright, so I got them in the color chestnut brown, and as you can see, the chestnut, and it's a size 10. These are Uggs for men. Even got another one. We got another sticker. It's on the side right here. Uggs size 10. These were only about $130. Yeah, I think that's how much they were. But yeah, so let's just get into it. You know, let's just pop off the top. You know, I've already looked at these a few times, so you know, might as well share my experience with you guys. Third or fourth time around. So let's take off the top. Then we got this black paper. It comes with this little, I don't even know what you call this, pamphlet, you can say, I guess, little mini pamphlet. I don't even know what it's for, basically. I think it's basically just talking about Uggs. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's basically talking about when Uggs were made, and materials and craftsmanship and comfort, and what they used to make them, and their weather ratings, and talking about their water resistant, their waterproof, weather rated. Yeah, that's pretty much that. But that's baloney. Nobody cares. So what we're gonna do? We're just gonna give you a look-see. Okay, so we go that way. Then you go this way. Then you got the divider. No, this way. You got the Uggs right here, bro. Right here. I've been waiting for these to come for some time now. I ordered them last Saturday. And these are the UGG new Mills. Oh my gosh, I really like them personally. Let's get the other one out the box, right? So these are the UGG new Mills. But okay, so we're just gonna go through and just see about these, you know. So they have a little nice design on the bottom, actually. Right here, as you see the name, so everybody knows that these aren't fake. I mean, you could tell by the box, but these are the Uggs chestnut. Go up to the upper part, you know, they have that section of, kind of looks like a from the top, it kind of looks like a, what's that called, like a house shoe kind of type, you know. So we got the house shoe, you got the thing in the back to keep it on, like you can pull it up if you put it on your foot or whatever. Got the UGG name right here, you know, and everything. I will be relacing these, most definitely, probably making them like a loose fit or whatever comes to mind, honestly. I really just wanted them for like winter, because winter is coming up. We're in fall right now, but you might as well just say like it's kind of cold outside now, because like right now it's like 30 something degrees, and these would be the perfect time to pull out. But I'm kind of hesitant to wear them out in the rain, to be honest. But you know, I may just stunt on them with these. But yeah, I've already like told all my friends that once they see this video come out Tuesday, they're gonna be like, yeah, this video is coming out Tuesday. Sorry about that little intermission. But yeah, once my friends see this video come out Tuesday, they're gonna be like, oh my god. No, they're not gonna be like that, but they're gonna be like, yo, they saw that. But like, I've already had friends, they were like, they look so ugly. Like, and Zaria, if you're watching this, thank you for being a supporter and saying these are not bad looking. That's really not. I mean, it's just the top looks kind of cute, and then the side, of course, you know, maybe it's just because I got long feet, so maybe they just like look big on camera or something. I don't know, but yeah, I've already told some of my friends that I may have to drop a fit tomorrow at school. Ooh. But yeah, that concludes this video. I'm sorry if like I haven't been on my uploading schedule, but I'm gonna get back with it. I am. It's just a lot's been going on with school. I'm in the 10th grade, by the way, and really been trying to stay focused on school a lot. And some days, like, I have so much to do, I have to watch. So, like, last Thursday, like, as I said, I have tons of videos saved up. So, like, Thursday, I had to wash my hair, because that was my wash day. And I had to wash my hair, homework. It was a lot I had to do, so I didn't really have the time to do that. But I'm going to start getting back on it, trying to do stuff that is best for me personally this year, and next year is going to be the same way too. So like, I'm not depressed or anything, you know. I'm pretty good, pretty key. No, I'm just playing. I'm pretty good, but yeah, that's pretty much that. So yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next video Tuesday, and we out. No, I'm just playing. We just gonna go out our regular way.